Hello guys, and welcome to this new and exciting episode. So in today's episode, I just want to share with you guys the indicators that actually elevated my trading. Right, I used to blow a lot of times, but when I switched on to price action and these price action indicators, it got better than previously. Right, so from now on, you can actually see that this is the V25 index chart on the H4 time frame, right, and let me start by this auto trend line indicator. So this first indicator that I'm actually going to put on the charts here is the first indicator that I think is actually one of the best there. So this auto trend line indicator on this point, it was accurate when it moved price from here to here, but this line was a bit misbehaving. You remember, indicators are not 100% accurate, and you can actually use these indicators, right, as a source of confirmation or to give you a general outline of the market, not because you want to use them as a single thing, right? So the other indicator that I actually use is this one called the high lows, right? So this indicator actually shows me the highest points and the lowest points, right? I don't know why it's not showing on the charts there. Let me shift my H1 F2. Okay, so with these high lows, you can actually see that they actually cross the highest point and the lowest point on a daily basis, and this can actually help you if you are the kind of person who is an intraday trader looking for those kind of things. So let me shift the H4 again and show you. So on the H4 it has reflected. Then this, let me remove what is shown on the chart there. Right, then the other indicator that I actually use is this eye regression indicator, and if you add it on the charts, it will definitely show you something like this. So this eye regression indicator actually plots like channels. Remember, whenever you see price, it will definitely be moving in a channel. We'll definitely talk about on more and more exciting episodes to come. So you can actually see that this is the bottom part, this is the middle part, and this is the upper part of this channel, and that is what this indicator. So I also use this KT auto Fibonacci indicator, considering that I do not want to waste my time plotting these points right here. So you can actually see that it touched here and this bottom point here and created all this. So this auto Fibonacci actually plots those Fibonacci points automatically without you doing anything on any. So these indicators, they actually work on any time frame, so you can use them considering what type of a trader you are, right? So then the other indicator that I use from this point is called the linear regression channel cloud, right? So this one also creates a channel, right, considering not considering any time frame that you're using. Let me move to my H1 here. So you see that M30, right, it will definitely take a lot of time. So it is loaded, so you can actually see that this indicator actually plots these channels, right? That is good. Then the other indicator that I use from this point is the pattern recognition indicator, right? And here is what the pattern recognition indicator does. So as you can actually see that these are abbreviations, and you can use the key here to see which pattern is actually occurring on the market, right? Let me remove those right here. So from the pattern recognition, I also use the pin bar detector, considering that I want to find my reversal points, or those points that I think would definitely give me a reversal kind of thing, right? So here's what the pin bar detector actually does, right? So this pin bar detector, you can actually see that it is putting these smileys, right? So whenever you see this smiley, the red one, you can actually see that we have got a bearish pin bar, right? Then the green one, we've got a bullish pin bar. And this is all about this kind of thing. So you use it when you are anticipating something like a reversal point, right? Then from the pin bar detector, I get to where it's kind of interesting. So I use this indicator called the Shiver supply and demand zone. So if you can actually check on my previous episodes, you definitely see that I use this indicator all the time, especially when I'm scalping on smaller time frames. I'll definitely be targeting those supports and resistances. So considering that you are looking at this indicator here, you can actually see that it plots supports, resistance, supply and demand, those kind of things, right? So these are the indicators that actually took my trading to another level. And I just want to appreciate you guys for 348 subscribers. Thank you so much for